Hi guys, welcome back. I will show you in this episode how to install headlight switch in Yamaha Fascino BS4 model. For opening of the headlight case, please refer to part 1 of this series. You will need an on-off switch, connector coupler with cable, which you can get from your local market or a repair shop, and also wire. I'll explain to you with this circuit diagram how to do the connection. Here's your high-low beam switch. I've disconnected the yellow-red wire, that is a common terminal, that's the middle wire. I've disconnected out. I passed a wire which in turn connects to the terminal of the on-off switch. And now the yellow-red wire in turn connects to the on-off switch. Also, I'll show you how to remove the terminal from the connector. Just use a forceps or tweezer. Press on the plastic locking clip. There we go. That's simple. I have removed the high beam, low beam switch. Now remove the common terminal, that is the yellow red wire from the coupler, is the middle wire. I have attached a wire to this yellow red wire which in turn connects to the on-off switch. The white wire from the high low beam connects to the other terminal of the on-off switch. This is the on-off switch from Minda. Here is a connector where one wire connects to the yellow-red cable and the other to the high-low beam switch. With the help of a screwdriver, release the clip securing the on-off cover from the panel. Now fix in the on-off switch. Connecting the coupler to the high beam, low beam switch. Install the switch back to the slot. That will be all in this episode. In the next episode, that's the third part, I will cover bar and light installation on Yamaha Fascino. So subscribe, hit the bell icon for more videos, and ride safe guys.